Namaste students. Today's our topic is CSR, corporate governance and corporate social responsibility. CSR, conceptualized by the Western countries where their practices have developed tremendously in the last decade. During these periods, the idea has been exported to other parts of the globe largely through the activities of multinational digital companies. It may be noted that the corporate governance and CSR are two related and interwoven business concepts that are deeply embedded in business practices. In this context, an attempt is made to discuss the concept of CSR and corporate governance and their interrelationship within legal and regulatory framework in India. What is definition of CSR? The idea of CSR largely started as a philanthropic gesture by a few wealthy businessmen. However, during the last decade, the CSR is becoming budge, B-U-Z-Z, word in the corporate sector. The changing context within which companies operate, shaped by environmental and globalization forces, affect the way that the role of business is perceived. Nowadays, a growing number of companies worldwide have acknowledged the importance of CSR in doing business. There is no universally accepted definition of the word CSR. The meaning and definition of CSR depends upon the mainly two factors. Firstly, contents in which it's used, and secondly, stakeholder. The difficulties in defining precisely CSR are in a part reflective of the way in which this topic has developed and the context of its use. For some, it has grown out of corporate philanthropy, which a clear emphasis on social improvements of strategic investment, keeping in view long-term goals. For others, CSR has a much broader definition and is closely related to the sustainable development and environment issues. CSR has been defined in many different ways. For the purpose of this lecture, we will use three key definitions of the word business. Council for Sustainable Development, the European Union, and the World Bank, which covers all the elements of CSR. World Business Council for Sustainable Development 1999. CSR is the ethical behavior of a company towards society, management, acting responsibly in its relationship with other stakeholders who have a legitimate interest in the business, and it is the commitment by business to behave ethically and contribute to economic development while improving the quality of life of the workforce and their families, as well as the local community and society at large. The European Union 2004 CSR is a concept whereby companies integrate social and environmental concerns in their business operations and in their interaction with their stakeholders on a voluntary basis. Simple word, CSR may be defined as obligation and accountability of a company towards all its stakeholders in its all operations. World Bank accounting according in the World Bank. Corporate social responsibility is the commitment of business to contribute to sustainable economic development by working with